Menta kasngi Menteri Rangba Agjelau Konrad Konggal Sangma ulayathu baulada banyakendu iu sekretari badiki officer jong Tnat ka Pohiing ka Sorkar Pdeng ban pentip halor ka Shithi balapha da kaseng Hnlc National Liberation Council lane ke Hnlc halor ka jingterwa banyakran yesuk bat ka Sorkar. Habai itu ba menta kasngi kaladon ka jingelang bat usketri bat ki officer jong Tnat ka Pohiing ka Sorkar Pdeng banyakran halor ka jingterwa yakran yesuk jong ka seng Hnlc bat ka Sorkar jilla bat kumjo ka Sorkar Pdeng. Ula benrap bayakane ka jingterwa banyakran yesuk kalong banwanra ya ka syongsuk syongsnga nya ka jilla hakaba kilakloy banwanra ya ka jingekran yesuk klem dabu ya kanu kanu ka kendon bat ka jingekran kan longkat kum ka riti sensar jong kari India.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA, and it was regarding the communication that we have received from Hnlc, where they have expressed their desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state, and they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments, and detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA, and in the next few days more developments will take place.